If you're drawn to ornate details and appreciate timeless elegance, maybe classic is your style.
It's really another word for timeless. It serves as a standard of its kind and remains up to date regardless of the year of its design. It's a little more ornate with a focus on elegance and comfort. Classic color schemes are generally more neutral, with tans, off-whites, and grays as a base. These timeless colors set an elegant stage, pairing perfectly with design elements like medium wood cabinets, detailed trim profiles, and flooring in warm tones. People we see gravitate towards this style tend to appreciate tradition and heirlooms, including antique furniture.
For inspiration and ideas, visit our website or a local Pulte sales center.